Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to PayPal in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving rapidly, turning your digital assets into cash has become more straightforward than ever. Whether you're a beginner looking to cash out or an experienced trader managing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will help you do it securely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Binance and PayPal. If you don't, head over to their websites, sign up, and complete the verification process. It's crucial for security and withdrawals. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and go to the Wallet section. Locate your Bitcoin balance and ensure it's available for trading or withdrawal. Step 2. Convert your Bitcoin to a fiat currency like USD. Navigate to the Trade or Exchange page on Binance, select Bitcoin, and sell it for USD. Keep an eye on current market rates to minimize losses. Crypto prices can fluctuate wildly. Step 3. Once you have USD in your Binance account, withdraw it to your linked bank account. Go to the Withdraw section, choose your bank as the destination, and follow the prompts. This usually involves entering your bank details and confirming the transaction. Remember, withdrawals might take a few hours to a couple of days, depending on network congestion. Step 4. After the funds land in your bank account, transfer them to your PayPal wallet. Log into PayPal, link your bank account if needed, and initiate the transfer. It's that simple. A quick word of caution. Always check for fees from both Binance and your bank, as they can add up. Enable two-factor authentication on all accounts to protect against scams, and never share your private keys. In 2025, regulations might have tightened, so stay updated with the latest guidelines. There you have it. Your Bitcoin is now in PayPal, ready for spending or investing elsewhere. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.